best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Curly Mo back at it again with another video. Yes, content. Keep it up, Mo. Let's keep it up. We're gathered here today to witness me do a 2-strand twist out on this bobblehead of mine. Before we jump into this video, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? Because you're watching, so why didn't you click the button? Yeah, funny, right? Yeah, so just go ahead and click that button, thumbs up some videos, and keep on watching. So today I'll be co-washing my hair because I probably just really shampoo, condition, you know, do that whole jazz once a month. But in between, I love to co-wash my hair. Co-wash is my best friend. Whatever. So this is my hair after it's all co-washed and all that jazz. Yeah, I wish I would have just showed y'all where I began with my hair because this is amazing. All right, I'm done. But yeah, so I'm about to detangle with my dimming brush, you know. I'm just gonna add some of the leave-in conditioner. I use a lot of product, okay? I get my money's worth. All right, so for the growth oil now, you already know I just squeeze and go. Squeeze and go. Y'all understand how juicy I like my twist to be. Doing a little part right here, because all my twist outs I kind of like them with a little sass. So, wow, that part would have been neat. Y'all, bear with me. So, now I'm just pour it in like that, and then I'm going to use a scrunchie. 1 second. All right, so we put this side up. So for the first twist, I like medium-sized twist, honestly, because number one, I'm lazy. So I take some Pillow Soft Curl, literally, not a little, a lot, okay? It's about a nickel size. Work it in. You know how I feel about this stuff. It's so thick. Literally, just swipe your finger over it. And this really coats your hair and moisturizes it and make it all, you know, juicy like I claim. So now you just begin the 2-strand twist. And some people can bantu knot this at the end. Some people put perm rods, flexi rods, but I just twist it down because I don't want it too curly. I just want it curly, if that makes sense. I just twirl it around my finger. You see how juicy that is? All right, be easy. On to the next section. All right, guys, y'all thought I was playing. Y'all thought I was playing. Who about to have 56 twists in their head? Not me. So, gonna let these dry, sit under the dryer, chill, let them dry, because you see they're juicy, so they're gonna take a minute to dry. Good morning. So these are the twists. They are dry. They dry. What I'm gonna do is add some oil. I told y'all I like it juicy. And just help rub it in my scalp. So once it's all rubbed in, you want your hands to be a little greasy. So when you take the twist out, you're gonna have them all moisturized. Because you want your twist moisturized and juicy. All right. So right now it's really flat. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to kind of give it some oomph, especially where these parts was. Got some Eco Styler. I believe this was a fail. Yeah. This is a twist out fail. This failed. So about the front, it was a fail. And the sides, like, and my hair is actually like dry, like there's no wetness. Like, it's a fail. It's a fail. It's a complete fail. Worst twist out ever. So guys, this is my hair after a day at work. It honestly looked like a very, 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 very neat wash and go. Don't get me wrong, I like it, but I don't like it because it's supposed to be a twist out, you know? And we twisted it out and we got our wash and go. Yeah. This is the complete fail. Epic. If you like this video, which you shouldn't do because it's a fail, still thumbs it up, you know? If you enjoy watching me do this epic fail, thumbs it up. Drop comments. Tell me what you want to see, you know? Help me help you, because I like to know what y'all want to see. I don't want to just be throwing these little dumb videos or videos y'all really not interested in. So just let me know what you want to see. Drop some ideas for me. And yeah, so bye guys.
I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.